Muslim English Language Institute. Vocabulary.
Number 1. Aroma. Noun. An aroma is a scent or smell. Example: I love the aroma of coffee in the morning. Number 2. Beverage. Noun. A beverage is a drink. Example: the waiter brought our beverage first, then he brought our food. Number 3. Cluster. Noun. A cluster of things is a small group of them placed close together. Example: she held a large cluster of grapes in her hand. Number 4. Combine. Verb. To combine is to join together to make a single thing or group. Example: Mina combined peanut butter and jelly to make a sandwich. Number 5. Condensed. Adjective. When a liquid is condensed, it is made thicker. Example: one way to make a dessert thick and sweet is to use condensed milk. Number 6. Contemporary. Adjective. When something is contemporary, it's related to the present time. Example: contemporary scientists have learned quite a bit about DNA. Number 7. Cultivate. Verb. To cultivate plants is to care for them and help them grow. Example: a research company is cultivating new kinds of rice to aid poor countries. Number 8. Adjective. When something is divine, it's related to gods. Example: legends say that music was given to men as a divine gift from the gods. Number 9. Humid. Adjective. When it is humid, there is a lot of water in the air. Example: it's very humid inside of a sauna. Number 10. Odor. Noun. An odor is a very distinct smell. Example: he knew there was a leak when he noticed the strong odor of natural gas. Number 11. Palate. Noun. The palate is the top part of the mouth. Example: you can touch your palate with your tongue. Number 12. Paradise. Noun. Paradise is the place or condition of happiness where things are perfect. Example: my vacation in Hawaii was like being in paradise. Number 13. Plantation. Noun. A plantation is a big farm that only grows certain kinds of crops. Example: in the 1800s, there were many cotton plantations in the southern US. Number 14. Rapid. Adjective. When something is rapid, it moves or changes very quickly. Example: his mother was surprised by her son's rapid growth. Number 15. Rate. Noun. A rate is the speed at which something happens. Example: grass tends to grow at a very slow rate. Number 16. Soothing. Adjective. When something is soothing, it makes you calm or relaxed. Example: the soothing music helped the baby fall asleep. Number 17. Subtle. Adjective. When something is subtle, it is not easy to say or notice. Example: the handsome man has a subtle smile. Number 18. Texture. Noun. The texture of something is the way its surface looks and feels. Example: The texture of a rock found in the water is typically very smooth. Number 19. Toxic. Adjective. When something is toxic, it is poisonous. Toxic things are very dangerous. Example: please check the label to say if the product is toxic. Number 20. Vary. To vary means to be different from another thing in size or amount. Example: the heights of the people in my class vary by a large amount.